Hello everyone, we are going to present you the European Capital of Culture project. First, who are we? We have 4 students, 3 students of the Masters of Cultural Studies, 1 student of International Politics. We have 2 exchange students in our group and 2 people from Belgium, which made a very diverse group, which helped us a lot with our project. Now, what did we do exactly? So, the city of Leuven asked us to search for some key success factors of previous cities. So, we did some research at which cities had some similarities with Leuven. During our research project, we found some categories that seem to be very important in all of the different cities. And now I will go briefly over different categories. So the first category is infrastructure. What it seems to be is that it is very important that the city has some available infrastructure, and if the city doesn't have available infrastructure, that there are options to enhance infrastructure or build some new infrastructure. The second category, which is very important, is participation. So it seemed to be that in every city had a good organization of voluntary work, and it's also important that you have good integration so that everyone really gets involved into the projects.
Our next success factor that we have indicated is cooperation, and this key success factor has also shown to be an integral part of every previous title holder or current title holder's application, and for that reason we have also divided it into 2 subcategories, into partners, indicating the importance of local cooperation with not only businesses and other partners, but also within the authorities. And also the other subcategory is region, because the European Capital of Culture highly recommends cooperation between regional parts of every candidate city. Please do proceed. Thank you. Our next key success factor has been identified as identity, which also plays an integral part in each and every single application that has probably ever been submitted into the European Commission. And since it is a very multi-layered key success factor, we have decided to divide it into 3 subcategories. That is place identity, in order to determine the geographical, demographical, and local determinants of the candidate city. Project identity, also to explain the cultural program that is in the agenda. And unity, giving it the European dimension, which is one of the most important elements of every candidacy. And also our last key success factor that we have recognized is, of course, sustainability. And sustainability has also shown to be a very important segment of each application. And also for a reason of a better understanding what we mean under sustainability, even though it can mean many things, we have decided to divide it into 2 subcategories: environmental sustainability. And this is a part that Leuven has actually already started doing and has already invested a lot of time and much projects already into it, and also the general sustainability of the project, indicating its long-term prosperity and its impact not only on a local but also on a national and international level. And regarding our conclusion, these key success factors are only the beginning of this very long path Leuven has to take in order to achieve its candidacy. But looking at the previous research we have done, it is easy to see that Leuven has a lot of potential for this candidacy, that of course there are things that need to be more thoroughly examined, worked on, and done more. But this is of course not where our research stops. We hope to further indicate other success factors, such as also other parts of infrastructure, other cultural projects that could be incorporated into the agenda. And what we find most important is, because primarily a city is its people, we would like to actually know what the people of Leuven actually think would help Leuven become the European Capital of Culture. Thank you.
The biggest challenge in this project actually was at first to find out what is the key success factors in the previous capitals of culture in Europe, and what they did actually and how they find it out the key success factors. Experience of our group actually was very good to see other cities and to be introduced to the culture of other cities.
The experience, for me, it was fun, but it was also not fun because we weren't allowed to see each other because of the COVID pandemic. It was hard with internet and with the bad connection, and just hard to be on Zoom all the time or other video chat stuff. So yeah, it was not really a really big influence on our project because we could do the research at home, but it said that we couldn't do more interviews, do more field work. So yeah.
I agree with what they said. I think one of our biggest challenges was also find a date every time for everyone, because it was online and on Zoom, it made it sometimes difficult to find some good time to meet. But in the end, we finalized our project, so I think we are happy with the results.
Definitely. Especially like to thank City Hall for providing us with additional material, being patient with us above all, and also helping us in not only determining the general aspects of our project, but also guiding us when we really needed it, and mostly we're thankful for them giving us, and also our dear Professor Buttons, who participated as our coordinator in this project. We're very thankful for them giving us generally the opportunity to participate in a project of this large scale. Thank you.